Joy Muhindo orukujunaniza bwa abwe by'ubuyonjo abwa Kasese Municipal Council yagira ngo abantu bashire kumanya ngo kushishe by'ubuhangwa hamwe n'ubuyonjo cirugiriremo abantu binji baferwa amagara gabo.
Care for the trenches. In Kasese we know how much flood we get. We lose lives, we lose property. So we should be very mindful of keeping our waste, our trenches clean.
Bamwe omubeja begizira omuhoro yo kuyonjo ko nabagira ngo babana benda kuba echo kureberaho mu nshongeji.
To make our district clean and to prevent the diseases that spread through the darkness of the district. To keep it clean, to prevent soil pollution, and also it helps us in ways of getting jobs.
Julius Muhindo orukure byesento mu kitongore cya Kirembe Investments Limited nagira ngo kwejumbira mu kuyonje tawuni necyo habigenderwa bya company yabo ebyerikwenda ngo abantu babero mu mbera nungi.
Aha rw'ikintu cyo mu community ekikwetenga kugira ngo bakikore ni bayamba ka company.
We believe that when we have a free litter municipality, it will continuously keep attracting visitors or tourists to come and do business from our municipality.
When we do open dumping, we equally pollute our water bodies because during the rainy season, all this gets back to our water bodies, and yet we use this water for our domestic purposes, including the fish that we eat.
Okujaguza emyaka 14 y'obusinga bwa rwenzoro bwa mara nukuza kuba kwizoba lya nyenchakade amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.